Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 gaming PC. I've looked through the specifications, feature set, and real-world performance expectations, and I'm going to break down whether this gaming PC is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest selling point of this system is undoubtedly the combination of the Ryzen 7800X3D and RTX 5070T. The 7800X3D has earned a reputation as one of the best gaming processors thanks to its 3D V-cache technology, allowing it to achieve excellent frame rates in CPU-intensive titles. Pairing it with the RTX 5070T creates a machine capable of handling modern AAA games at ultra settings with smooth frame rates at 1440p and very capable 4K performance. Gaming performance is where the Azure 3 truly shines. Competitive esports games, such as shooters and racing titles, can take advantage of extremely high refresh rate monitors, while demanding cinematic games benefit from the RTX 5070 Ti's advanced rendering capabilities. Features like modern ray tracing technologies and AI-assisted frame generation allow the system to achieve impressive visual quality while maintaining smooth gameplay. The 16 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM on the graphics card is another major advantage, especially as modern games continue to demand more graphics memory at higher resolutions and texture settings. This amount of VRAM provides better longevity for upcoming game releases and is also useful for creative workloads like 3D rendering, video editing, and AI-assisted applications. Another strong area is multitasking and productivity. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, this PC has more than enough memory for gaming while running Discord, streaming software, web browsers, and background applications simultaneously. Content creators working with high-resolution videos or complex projects will also appreciate the extra memory capacity. Storage comes in the form of a 1 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, delivering fast boot times, quick game loading, and responsive application performance. While 1 TB is sufficient for many users, modern AAA games can easily consume 100 gigabytes or more each, meaning heavy gamers may eventually want to add a secondary SSD for a larger game library. Thermals and power delivery are also impressive. The inclusion of a 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler helps keep the Ryzen 7 7800X3D running efficiently during long gaming sessions while adding a premium aesthetic with customizable lighting. The 850W80 Plus Gold ATX 3.0 power supply provides stable power delivery and gives the system enough headroom for the included components as well as future upgrades. The overall design is aimed at gamers who appreciate both performance and appearance. The Azure 3 features a modern gaming chassis with RGB lighting, clean cable management, and a professionally assembled layout. One major advantage of a pre-built system like this is that everything is already tested, configured, and ready to use straight out of the box with Windows 11 installed. However, there are a few considerations. The biggest limitation is the 1 TB storage capacity, which may feel restrictive for users with a large collection of modern games. Upgrading storage is relatively easy, but it is an additional expense to consider. Another drawback is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 5 instead of newer Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 technology. While Wi-Fi 5 is still perfectly usable for gaming and streaming, it does make the connectivity feel slightly behind the rest of the high-end hardware package. Price is also an important factor. The Azure 3 sits in the premium gaming category, and you're paying not only for the hardware, but also for professional assembly, testing, warranty support, and the convenience of a ready-to-play system. PC enthusiasts comfortable with building their own machines may be able to customize a similar system differently, depending on component pricing. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, benchmark discussions, and early user feedback, and here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a powerful pre-built gaming desktop capable of high-refresh 1440p gaming, smooth 4K gameplay, streaming, and demanding creative workloads, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 is absolutely worth considering. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D and RTX 5070 combination makes it one of the strongest gaming setups in its class, and a 32GB DDR5 RAM, efficient cooling, and quality power supply add to its long-term value. However, if you need a massive game library, the included 1TB SSD may require an upgrade, and users wanting the latest wireless standards might prefer a system with Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 gaming PC delivers excellent gaming power, premium cooling, strong upgrade potential, and the convenience of a professionally built system, making it a fantastic choice for gamers who want high-end performance without building a PC themselves.